The ultimate guide to web development. Start today. Intro. Did you know that over 1.8 billion websites exist today? That's a staggering number. But what if I told you that you could create your own website from scratch? Welcome to the ultimate guide to web development. Start today. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know to kickstart your journey into web development. Whether you want to build a personal blog, an online store, or a portfolio, this guide is for you. Web development is not just a skill, it's a gateway to endless opportunities. So, let's dive in and discover how you can start your web development journey today. Main content first, let's break down what web development actually is. Web development is the process of creating websites and web applications. It involves coding, designing, and maintaining websites. There are two main areas in web development: front-end and back-end. Front-end development is all about what users see and interact with. This includes layout, design, and user experience. On the other hand, back-end development deals with the server, database, and application logic. Both are essential for a fully functional website. Now, let's talk about the skills you need to get started. For front-end development, you should learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML is the backbone of any website. It structures the content. CSS is used for styling and layout. And JavaScript adds interactivity to your site. For back-end development, you can start with languages like Python, Ruby, or PHP. You'll also need to understand databases, like MySQL or MongoDB. Don't worry if this sounds overwhelming. You can learn these skills step by step. Next, let's discuss the tools you need. A good code editor is essential. Popular options include Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, and Atom. These editors help you write and manage your code efficiently. You'll also need a web browser for testing your work. Chrome and Firefox are great choices because they have built-in developer tools. Now, let's move on to the learning resources. There are plenty of free and paid resources available online. Websites like Codecademy, Free Codecamp, and W3 Schools offer interactive tutorials. YouTube is also a fantastic platform for learning. Channels like Traversy Media and the Net Ninja provide excellent content for beginners. Don't forget about online courses on platforms like Udemy and Coursera. They often have structured paths to guide you through the learning process. As you learn, it's important to practice. Start by building small projects. Create a personal website or a simple blog. This will help you apply what you've learned and build your portfolio. Speaking of portfolios, let's talk about why they are important. A portfolio showcases your skills and projects to potential employers or clients. Include your best work, and make sure it's well organized. You can also add a brief description of each project to explain your role and the technologies used. Networking is another crucial aspect of web development. Join online communities like Stack Overflow, Reddit, or GitHub. These platforms allow you to connect with other developers, ask questions, and share your work. Don't hesitate to seek feedback on your projects. It's a great way to improve and learn from others. Now, let's touch on the importance of staying updated. Web development is constantly evolving. New tools, frameworks, and best practices emerge regularly. Follow blogs, podcasts, and social media accounts related to web development. This will help you stay informed about the latest trends and technologies. Finally, let's discuss the job market. Web development skills are in high demand. Many companies are looking for skilled developers to help them build and maintain their websites. You can work as a freelancer, join a startup, or even land a job at a large corporation. The possibilities are endless. Outro. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on web development and tech. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What are you most excited to learn about web development? Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So, start today and take that first step into the world of web development.